Hey, what is going on? Just Sean here from Simple Sites. Wanted to walk you through the video production snapshot here. So right here, this is going to be the main landing page that new leads come on. I want to walk you through the funnel, the automations, and the custom values. So first thing I'm going to do is walk you through the funnel here. So on the funnel, you can see we got the logo up here. Pretty much everything that is specific to the business will use custom values. So the logo, you see down here, you got custom values, phone number in the upper right corner, location, name, discounts, all that stuff. I'll show you what this looks like on the front end as well. Actually, let me make my face a little smaller, and I'll just keep it down here in the bottom left. So right here, you can see when someone lands on the page, it's a really good looking landing page with call to action down here. All of the call to actions lead to the form right up here. This is a tracking phone number, whether you're using Lead Connector, Twilio, Google Voice, whatever you're using as your tracking phone number specific to the campaigns, you're gonna put up here. If you're not, definitely use Lead Connector. Don't use whoever's cell phone up here. You want to track the effectiveness of this campaign and landing page. So right here we have a big, bold background image. You can just change that out. Go to sections, manage, desktop hero, and that's where you can change the background image up here. Mobile hero, let me show what it looks like on mobile. You're gonna change for the same image up here. I have a couple different, it's mobile and desktop. You're gonna have to update both of them just because the way the formatting is done to make it look clean on mobile as well. So as you scroll down, you can see the form, name, email, phone number, what industry, and then how we'll use this video. Start your project. Premiere HD and 4K video production and post-production, just a big bold call out that people like. A generic section over here with another video production image, just to get people familiar with the service. A call to action section, testimonials. These are all custom values as well. So 3 different services, whatever the biggest services are, and discounts, and then also process as well. It's using the accordion element. All of these buttons go to the forms, and we have the form doubled down here on the bottom as well. And then this is just a screenshot of a Google map of the Empire State Building. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Maps, type in the address of the business location. You're going to take a screenshot of whatever the Google Map page is, and you're going to plug that screenshot in here as the background image. And then you're going to go ahead and make this clickable with the address being the URL for the Google Maps, so that way people can get directions and things like that. So this is the landing page. It works really, really freaking well with conversions, and also educating new customers on different services, and but conversions first. So next, once someone converts on that page, we're actually taking them to, see, this is the funnel. I have 2 separate funnels here, both labeled accordingly, so that you can use your Google Tag Manager and Facebook Pixel appropriately. You can track traffic here, and then anyone who lands on this page, you can put your conversion pixel for anyone that lands here. And so, if you're sending people directly here, if you have a warm referral system, that those people are getting tagged appropriately as a conversion instead of getting tagged as like new, just traffic. So that's why I like to use 2 separate funnels. Someone lands here, right up top, gives them a chance to book their appointment. Blah, 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 blah. Select a date and time, and then it asks a few other questions. These will be sticky contacts who will automatically fill out their name, email, phone number. Please briefly describe your project and what do you have budgeted for the project. Schedule your creative strategy session. And then final page. A appointment confirmed, and it'll say on this date from this time to this time. So these are your custom values up here. And so once someone actually books an appointment, it'll actually have all the information up there. Right now, since I didn't book an appointment, I just previewed the page. There's no info to put there. So, you can go ahead, test this out, schedule a fake appointment just to see the process work, and you'll see it filled out up here at top. And it says, thanks, first name, just email to your appointment confirmation. All of that set up in the automations. What I'd like you to do on these pages is put action shots of the actual video production company that this page is being used for as the background. Make this image a team image of the video production company and use the same background image as the scheduling page. For this page, you're going to change this image here to an action shot, something that has good composition, good clarity. Down here, another action shot. This can be the team, like a background, the team, and then this one is actually going to be the team. So a different picture of the team, or the same picture that you would use here on the confirmation page. So the automations, let me pull these up real quick. Again, everything is organized, so if you load this into the snapshot and you have other snapshots already loaded, you don't have to worry about trying to find the ones that I made for you. All of the different automations are right here. So we have appointment confirmation, auto missed call text back, new leads coming in, birthday template, offering a $100 discount for the birthday, database reactivation, offering a $100 discount for anyone that replies, following up for people that you did not close the sale. If the appointment cancels, you remove them. If they're a no-show, then this is a reactivation campaign to get them to reschedule, sending review requests, and responding to Google My Business messages. The opportunities pipeline, these are the stages we have in here. New lead, if they're in conversation but they don't have an appointment yet, if they scheduled an appointment, if they're interested but they need follow-up, if they're sold and they're a new client, or if they're not a good fit, if they're unqualified, and also spam leads. You can just drag and drop them there. These two do not show up on the front end dashboard, to show all the numbers and stuff, but all of these 5 right here do show. So this is what you get in a nutshell. You get a good looking funnel. It's organized, it's clean. You get the custom values, which only takes about 5 minutes to go ahead and set up. And then you have all the automations. This snapshot is going to be super easy, very clean, a good snapshot for video production companies to get them customers, to get them leads, scheduling appointments, and to make you and your customers a whole lot of money. Also, we don't want to forget the custom values right here. So the custom values, this is what you're going to update for the snapshot to work. And that's what fills in all of these custom values everywhere here. So I'm just going to run through them real quick. Again, I have them super organized, so when you load this into your account and you use a snapshot, if you have another snapshot that you're also using, you don't have to worry about trying to find which ones are correlated with this snapshot. It's right here. So the main discount offer name, you can see that right up here. High performance video production service. High performance video production service. $500 off. $500 off. Nashville. This is the logo. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to media and you're going to upload the logo in the media folder, right click it, get the link, and paste it here. The agency name, so for delivering leads and appointments to your client that owns a video production service, you're going to put your agency name and email right here. The booking calendar links, so on the funnels, the link to the calendar page and the link to the discount funnel page, so this page and this page, you're just going to copy and paste those links right here. The tracking phone number, the industry name, we use the industry name littered in the page a couple times, video production, and then 3 services and discounts correlated to services. High performance video production service, $500 off. that one's just going to be the double of the top one. Elevate and create marketing service, save $300. Omnipresent brand strategy, pay nothing up front. You can see these down here. Right here, and right here. Custom value, custom value, custom value, custom value, custom value, custom value. You're gonna have to put in a description, but you can work with your client to get that in there, or you can just do a quick Google search if they're having a hard time. But really, it only takes, I would say, about 20 minutes to actually update this. So if you're gonna have some back and forth with your client to get this information. Once you get everything plugged in, it plugs in everything up here up front. You can use the stock images if you want. They all came from Unsplash within High Levels media area, and so that means they're all royalty free. They're all free to use. You can use them, but 100% of the time, if you can, I recommend, and it is the best practice, to use images unique to the brand. And so you can go and you can they're a video production company. They're going to have stills of some of their work. So get some pictures from them, change the images out. You don't have to do much with the automations other than you need to add a user. You need to make sure they add a user to the account and get them plugged into the spots where you got to assign users on the automations. Other than that, you're good.